here is the aluminum servo mount, and this is the rear upper link riser. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to look at a few upgrades from Supershafty for the Axial Capra. So these are the two Supershafty upgrades that I'm looking at for the Axial Capra. This one right here is the aluminum servo mount, and this is the rear upper link riser. So this Supershafty servo mount will be more rigid and take some of that slop out of the plastic servo mount, especially if you have a high torque servo application. And this comes in both silver and black. I just got silver because the black was out of stock. Let's go ahead and install the servo mount first. And you can just see the flex of the servo mount as I'm unscrewing. And here's a comparison between the two mounts. Here's the stock plastic one. You can see the flexibility in it. Usually an issue when you have a high torque servo. And here's the metal servo mount. Here you can see that while this thing is going over the rod ends, the suspension will drop enough for it to be an issue. So it still works just fine. And that completes the installation of the Supershafty servo mount. You can see that there's no flex in the servo mount. So it's a lot more rigid. Alright, so we'll move on to the Supershafty rear link risers. And basically what this does is it gives you more anti-squat adjustment. Alright, so to install this rear link riser, you will actually need 2 additional M3x14 screws that do not come with the part. You here see this piece just fits directly and kind of notches into the hole in the truss here. And here is the rear link riser installed. And that completes the installation of the Supershafty rear link riser and the Supershafty servo mount. Can't wait to get this out on the rocks and test out the new upgrades. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for the next updates on my Axial Capra.